Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabet words. Let's get started. A for arm. Arm. B for bat. Bat. C for cow. Cow. D for duck. Duck. E for eye. Eye. F for frog. Frog. G for goat. Goat. H for horse. Horse. I for iron. Iron. J for jam. Jam. K for king. King. L for lotus. Lotus. M for map. Map. N for net. Net. O for oil. Oil. P for pen. Pen. Q for queen. Queen. R for ring. Ring. S for soap. Soap. T for tub. Tub. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for virus. Virus. W for watch. Watch. X for X-ray. X-ray. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zoo. Zoo. Thank you kids for watching this. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.